Do you wish you could feel better right now? I'm going to share with you 20 strategies to make you feel better right now. I know we're living in a crazy time where there's a lot of reasons to be worried, anxious, feeling like just something isn't right. But the reality is we can make ourselves feel better. And something that we're not taught in school that I think we should be is the art of self-soothing. So I'm going to share with you how to distract yourself with self-soothing and just make yourself feel better in 20 ways. Organize a party. Do yoga, tai chi, or Pilates. Go outside and watch the cloud. Go jog, take a bike ride, go for a swim, or go for a hike. Get a massage. Plan a party. Plan a vacation to a place you've never seen before. Take a cooking class. Play with your pet and pet your pet and notice how soft and nice they feel. Don't have a pet? You can borrow a friend's dog and take it to the park or take it for a walk. Watch a funny movie and start to list out your funny feel-good movies that you can watch when you're not feeling so great. Listen to a feel-good podcast or a topic that you're really interested in that makes you feel good. Create your own blog. Start writing your stories. Start writing a book. Sell something that you don't really want on the internet. Go to a spa. Go to the library. Go to the bookstore, get a cup of coffee, and start flipping through some books.